everyone, I got for Christmas this wonderful weather station. It's a AccuRite 5-in-1. Here is the display for 5-in-1 weather sensor, and we have the AccuRite Internet Smarter. Okay, and here's the heart of the machine, the weather station. Ta-da! What do we have? We have, this is apparently the station itself. Wonderful. AccuRite 5-in-1 weather. Great. It looks great, I like it. So here is the station. Wow, it looks sleek. Has two solar panels, a wind sensor, wind direction sensor. This is the rain gauge. Even has a installation level, and it shows us where south is. Wonderful, that looks awesome. Now back to our display here. It looks like it's stand. This way around, yes, it's a power supply and the display. Alright, look at this here. In the background is my very active cat, Tiger. He's not even bothered by me doing this here. So what do we have here? There's a light button. I guess that will light up the display. Here it says batteries are for backup power and retain records in case of a power outage. Well, that's pretty handy. And we don't lose our data. 6 batteries. And up here is where the power adapter is being plugged in. Okay, so I'm outdoors now and I'm looking for a spot where to install this new weather station. It has to be freestanding, so free of obstructions, so that the rain will get there, the wind get there, and the wind direction. Decided to use a 2x4, this one here, and put it on the kids' playground for now because of the ease of installation. So now we have the bracket on the 2x4, and I'm going to put the weather station right on here and secure it through these 2 holes with the screws from the package. Now this is how the final installation turned out. I'm quite happy with it. It's working, it's turning, it's high in the air, it gives me good data.